I'll show how to buy shares of Microcloud Hologram, starting from the search, how to buy shares of Microcloud Hologram. Microcloud Hologram makes holographic display hardware and cloud visualization services. It trades on NASDAQ under the ticker HOLO, and this video is educational, not financial advice. To buy stock, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account with an ID and add funds before you can place a purchase. Use the platform search box and type the ticker HOLO to find the listing. Make sure you locate the correct Microcloud Hologram stock among the search results. Open the asset page to review basic company information and the price chart. Confirm the company name, ticker HOLO, and NASDAQ listing to ensure it is the correct stock. Click the Investor Trade button, enter the amount you want to spend, then review the order details and confirm to place the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued until the next session. And if your funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After the order is placed, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For the example linked to eToro, see the description below.